It was a 9.
Are we live now? This is live now?
Now we're live.
Now we're live?
Yeah.
On this fucking season of Understeer Garage, we gotta work with all these assholes. Welcome to the year, bitches.
Yeah!
He's in the fucking passenger floor.
And he's still taller than me. Red squirrel?
Squirrel!
Sir. It's just What's up, guys? We are back at Virginia International Raceway.
Hell yeah, we are.
Hell yeah, we are. We're testing some race cars today. So we are pre-season testing. We've got our whole fleet of Honda Civics, the Type Rs, the SIs, and we're testing them, shaking them down, getting them ready for Sonoma, which is what, like a month away now.
I honestly, it's Monday, right? It's Monday. It's Monday.
It was a late night. Yeah. Right, so we're just shaking down the cars, we're getting them ready for Sonoma. And there's a school going on too.
Yeah, he has cool.
So we're taking over VIR this weekend. How do we do today, boss man?
We did good. We're tired though.
We're tired.
We're tired. What was it, 14-hour day today? Woke up at 5:30.
I spent more time wrestling that control arm than I spent sleeping last night.
But it's done.
But it's done.
What time is it? It's 11.
God damn. So early to bed.
All right, let's go to sleep. Good morning. It's day 2 at Virginia International Raceway.
This motherfucker has the camera out. Yes, he does. Get to work, bitch.
What's up, Understeer Garage?
Oh, you can't.
I can't say that yet?
No, you gotta earn.
You gotta
that.
earn that one.
Yeah.
B-roll, because you're Brian with a B, and you're also about the size of a sushi roll.
We're in grid. Grid. We made a little fake pre-grid. Okay, so yesterday was a it was a shakedown, and we shook it down. That's why we do this. We exposed some weak points and fixed some weak points, and that's why we won't have weak points
Welded some weak
in
points.
Sonoma. So now we're doing, today's gonna be more of a test-ish like a simulated race weekend practice sort of situation.
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that.
Fucking around, finding out.
This whole lap hot, and then the next lap.
Okay, Justin, nice work, nice work. That's P43, P43, good work.
That's recording.
He's learning.
That's recording.
Yes.
Okay.
The blinking red light and the number counting means it's recording.
On this season of Understeer Garage,
Oh, do I get to say it now?
he's got to earn his way since Bobby's not here. I don't know.
Who's Bobby?
You will know Bobby. You will know Bobby. Everybody knows fucking Bobby. All right, it's official. We've nicknamed the short fuck.
Which one?
B-roll. Did you get that on film the first time too, though?
What?
The reasoning behind your nickname, or no?
Maybe. I'm not sure.
Okay.
Probably. Oh yeah,
it is now.
I think I was shooting B-roll when that happens.
All right, let's play with your compensation.
If I
stick.
did that, we're gonna cut to when I did that. Right now.
B-roll, because you're Brian with a B, and you're also about the size of a sushi roll. What shenanigans are we causing? Doing race car shit. Someone parked a Miata turd over here. I don't know why.
So it was a pretty smooth day here today. Just a lot of track running, spent a lot of time out on track. Don't look at me while I'm filming. How are we looking here, Walker?
We're looking good. The
We're
car
looking
went
good.
up.
Car looked good out there. Cooper looked good, he was happy, so that's good. My car, we did a little mixed running, did some opposite setups to the other Type R. So we're just trying to figure out what the best course of action, the best setup will be for the Type Rs. So yeah, this one's getting pulled apart and we're gonna try and copy what we did on the other car and yeah. So that's it, let's do it.
Yeah, we're live. On today's episode of Understeer Garage, Mr. Professional is back with us because there was also a school here and he had to teach some really important people some really important shit, which led to him looking like he wants to sleep right now. What time even is it? Do we even want to know? I don't know. This little shit's working on the car again.
Can you just tap it down a minute? Just a little tiny bit more. The car, dude, the car.
Not the camera angle. He's gonna make me go work again, sorry.
You're in the indie video for a minute where I'm like super stoked. I was like, where are we starting, Ken? You're like P2, and I was like, yeah!
Wait, I already hit record on this again. Ken's not only in the indie video, Ken's on the Understeer Garage highlights video.
Oh, Yes.
grabbing my
Pull up under-
fucking nipple.
Pull up understeer garage. That's a better one. Good call.
He's gonna Google it right now. Y'all can watch it. Put it under my mustache for Trotter's sake, cause fuck you, Trotter. You're not the only Alex with the mustache anymore. Hell yeah, Chris Taylor's in the thumbnail. We miss you, Dad. On today's episode of Understeer Garage. Fuck you, Brian. We stole your camera again. And they're actually watching Understeer Garage, not Countersteer Garage. Fuck Countersteer Garage. It's Understeer Garage. But we still love you. Oh my God, I guarantee you can hear Bobby still.
All right, my car's dialed. This one's almost ready to go. Kenny, say hi. What up? What up? And we're going to get some food. Thank fuck. Finally. Who's fuck and why are we thanking them?
Bro, you've said it yourself. Fuck is the potato of words.
I did say that, didn't I?
You did say
it is the potato of words. Good morning, guys. It is day 3, final day of testing here. Today, we've got the 2 Type Rs pretty identical now. And we're gonna be testing them to see if there's any differences in chassis. The SIs are looking pretty good. Not a whole lot of stuff going on there. Just putting in laps, but yeah, much smoother than day 1 here. So I'll take that. That's always good.
Yeah, it's great.
And we're back in the airport. It was a busy and highly productive weekend. First day was a pretty gnarly shakedown and we shook them down. Day 2, tested opposing setups, and then day 3 was some fine tuning. So yeah, a very productive weekend. In exactly 2 weeks, we've got 2 more test days out in Sonoma, and then 2 weeks after that, the first race of the year. For now, I'm heading home. Hit that subscribe button, because shit's gonna start getting crazy. And I'll see you guys next Taco Tuesday.
You handed me a big stick, I'm gonna play with it. And that's on film.